Hello everyone, welcome to Kayano. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chaitanya, and in today's video guys, I am going to talk about how you can set up Google Ads conversion tracking through Google Tag Manager. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. Okay, so basically guys, here I want to tell you that in today's scenario, we are going to use this landing page. So okay, I will do all the testing on it, meaning I will set up the conversion. Okay, and in the upcoming video, I am going to cover how to set up all these things on WordPress as well. How to create a lead generation event in Google Ads conversion tracking, Google Analytics 4. So don't worry about that, okay? And for this, guys, you can see here that I have opened a dummy website, okay? I have purchased this domain in Google Tag Manager. In the upcoming video, I will also cover how to set up WooCommerce or e-commerce. Okay, so stay with this video and this series, okay? And here I am going to use this account. So, okay, I have already added the GTM Google Tag Manager code to the backend of my website, okay? And here I am going to use my personal Google Ads account, okay? So what I do here, guys, is start the process first. Okay, so first, what I did here, guys, is I added the Google Tag Manager code to the backend of the website. So here, if I need to verify, what will I do, guys? Okay, look here. This is my setting. In the setting, you can see the tracking code section, guys. I open this, and after opening, see if our Google Tag Manager snippet 979s matches here. I have already implemented it like 979s. Okay. So what I do is come here to the Google Ads account, and first, where do we need to go, guys? Here, you see goals, you need to go to the goals section. After that, you need to click on conversion. Okay, after this, you need to go to summary. Okay, after clicking on this, what you need to do here, guys, is create a conversion action. You need to create it here.
Okay, here. Selected create conversion action, guys. Okay.
And here, look at this. It's asking me which domain you use. So here I will edit this source once, guys. Okay, we are going to set up on this domain. So I will scan this one, guys. Okay, after this, it will automatically give us the option. Here it is saying install Google Tag Manager. So we will install all these things later, guys. Okay. I will mark this as done, guys. Okay, look here, this source has come up and I will do save and continue, save and continue. And after that, guys, what do we have to do here? What do we have to track, guys? Here on the website, we have to track our lead form. So that's why I will select the object here. Guys, business object submit lead form. Here, what I do is click on create a conversion. And here on the website, Chaitanya, okay, I do it on that. Okay, I do it manually with code. Come to the conversion setting, guys, okay? And here I give it a name. Okay, Google Ads conversion. And here, guys, for your understanding, I will give YouTube so you will understand that we did it for YouTube. Okay, and after this, if you want to add some conversion value, you can add it here. I will set it to 100 for now. Okay, and here, there is a count, guys. You have to set it up very correctly. Okay, so here, I will give you a simple explanation. Every is used, guys, when you are setting up e-commerce, meaning if you need to count any purchase value on the website, then for that here every the use of count is there. And okay, one is used here, guys, meaning if you want to have a visitor sign up on things like a submit form, sign up form, newsletter, then the count of one is selected here. So here, many people here, guys, make this mistake. So that's why I explained this point to you. Okay, after this, what I do is I click done, guys. Okay, after clicking done, I click save and continue. After clicking save and continue, here within a second, you can see an option to use Google Tag Manager. Okay, but here it is telling you that the Google tag is not found. So what I do here is click on setup. Yeah. Today, I will also explain how to install the Google tag for Google Ads on the setup. So here, what I do is go to Google Tag Manager and click on new. Okay. After this, I go to tag configuration, go to Google Ads, and here you can see the Google Ads tag. Okay, we select it here, guys. There will be a double click on it. Yeah, okay. I came here and what I do is, guys, you see a code here. guys, AW977. What I do is, guys, I copy it. I copy it and paste it here. Okay. And here I name it Google Ads. Okay, see, here, Nika, I mentioned a simple name. Okay, see here, the data is set up. Okay, after this, I cancel it and come here to Google Tag Manager and see here, I already got the conversion ID and label. So for this, I will follow the same steps. Okay, here, first I name the tag Google Let's Conversion YouTube video. Guys, the name is up to you. If you are handling a client, you can add the client's name. That is at your discretion. Here, again, what we have to do is come to Google Ads. And here, guys, you see Google Ads conversion action. You have to click on it. Okay, after clicking on it, you already have the conversion ID and label. I copy this and paste it here. Okay, and after this, I also do this with the conversion label. And here, guys, see the Google tag is found, meaning the Google ad, the Google tag setup we did before that. And what do I do here, guys? I trigger. What do I need to do to trigger, guys? What condition do I need to set? I want to trigger on the thank you page. Here, I set it on the thank you page, write it down, and then after selecting, when I come to the trigger, I need to select page view. Okay? Here, I click on page view. We need to click on some page view because we don't want to track all pages. Okay? And what do I do here, guys? I do page URL. Okay? After doing page URL, it asks to add a value here, and I add the value thank you. Okay? So here, I verify once, guys. Okay? On my landing page, see, this is my thank you page of the landing page. Okay, so guys, some error has occurred. I'll refresh it right in front of you so you can see. Okay, look at this value here, thanks/you. Okay, that's the same value we mentioned here, guys. Yes, correct, the same value was mentioned here. I'll save it. Okay, and here I save it. Okay, look here, guys. After saving, the most important part we need to do is test it. Okay, so here, what I do is preview it. Okay, and after this, we have to test this URL. I come to it and connect it. Okay, after connecting, once the trigger session is connected, I fill out the form in front of you. Here, Yakida, see if you are following my Google Tag Manager series, I also did one on element visibility here. I made a video on that. I will add the URL of that video in my description box so you can go and watch that video, okay? And now what I do is come here, guys. Here, I fill out a dummy detail, guys, okay? Okay, a dummy number, and here I select any service and submit it. No? After submitting, see here, guys, I will be redirected to the thank you page. And after being redirected here, guys,
See.
the form submit event came. Okay, guys, the form submit event hasn't come here. And what happened to the tag one? It redirected to the thank you page. Okay. Okay, guys, so there was a small debug here. Okay, so the developer did not implement the Google Tag Manager code on our thank you page. Because of that, we encountered a small error, okay? But here, guys, now what I will do is test this in front of you, okay? And I will preview it, okay? After doing the preview here, guys, I will test it in front of you. I will copy and paste our primary domain here and connect it. After connecting here, guys, I will fill out the form again in front of you on the screen. Okay, and here I will give it a name. I will give a dummy name, okay, email ID. Okay, guys, I am filling out a dummy detail here. Here I type, guys, here I select the service email marketing and submit it. After submitting, guys, see here in just a few seconds, our tag fired here. Okay, so guys, here I will show you the whole, okay. Here, see, whenever we were on top of it, School of Digital Marketing and these events were happening. Here you can see, guys, the Google Ads conversion tag did not fire. But as soon as I go to our thank you page here, see the Google Ads tag is firing on all pages. But here you can see our Google Ads conversion for the YouTube video, which I named here. is firing. Okay, if you want to verify whether it is firing correctly or not, then look here, it will show you the status. Okay, and what I do here is, you see the message when this tag fires, it shows container loaded number 11. Here, what I do is select it, guys. After clicking, we come to container loaded, and here you see the status, guys, fired. Okay, here we can also verify. Okay, after this, look at the number 11 container. So guys, you can see that our Google Ads conversion tag has fired. Okay, so guys, basically, you can set up Google Ads conversion through Google Tag Manager for your ads or your client's business, okay? So guys, that was it for today's video. If you like this video, then like it and share it with your friends who want to learn conversion tracking, okay? And just like this, I am going to create many videos, so I request you not to forget to subscribe to the channel. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and tata.